Right, today we're going to bring a laser projector, and this is actually an animation laser projector. Now included, they give you an actual control, very simple to use, on and off, and all the functions. You could do lighting only, or you could do characters if you want. It's up to you. There's an animation, there's sound. With the sound, it actually mimics the waves of your sound, will change the actual lighting. So for your DJs, this is perfect. Now let's turn around and see what you get in the back. In the back, it comes with, of course, this power supply, 3-prong power supply, a menu that you can select from. If you lose the control, you can always do it manually. Also, connections for the mic, so it could actually go with the sound of the music. If you ever blow a fuse, you can replace the fuse, on and off button, and of course, a ventilation for the actual cooling system. And of course, there's a filter involved in here. So we're gonna put this together. You can hang this, or you can put it on the ground, but I suggest this is very dangerous on eyes, so just be careful. If you're going to put this in somewhere used, make sure it's above people's heads so it won't get any of their eyes, and you can display and animate anything on the ceiling. So for all you DJs out there, this is perfect combination. If you have a smoke machine like I do, you can mix them together. The effects is going to look even better. So let's put it to use and test it out. Beautiful light effects in here. We're going to go and test out the actual controls. So with the control, we're going to change it